Christmas. We are once again back to Rosemary's Kitchen, and this is the season of festive food. So I'm going to make the popular dish from India, the meat cutlets, but instead of meat, I'm going to use my turkey from my Thanksgiving to prepare it. And enjoy. Let's get started. The ingredients for turkey cutlet is I have boiled 7 potatoes, Yukon potatoes. I've taken like about 2.5 cups of turkey, minced turkey. These were my Thanksgiving turkey I had frozen in the refrigerator, and then I grinded it. 4 eggs, they are raw eggs. The meat masala, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon I bought from the Indian store. I'm going to use Italian breadcrumbs to dip my cutlets in. 1 chopped white onions, 2 curry leaf, and then I'm going to use these are about 7 green chilies. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of ginger. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of allspice. And I'm going to fry my onions from my turkey in the olive oil, and I'm going to use salt as for taste. So what I'm going to do, boys and girls, first is I'm going to use my karai, and I'm going to put some olive oil in it. And the reason I'm putting olive oil is I'm trying to sort the onions and the green chili so that they are not raw when you eat it inside the cutlets. So as it warms up, then I'm going to put my onions and my green chili, and then I'm chopping my curry leaf because I don't want, they need to be very small pieces so that while you are enjoying your cutlet, it doesn't come in your mouth as big leaves. And this gives the South Indian taste to it, the curry leaf. Okay, I'm going to put my onions. That's 1 whole onions, and then green chili, and then the curry leaf. A wooden spoon to mix all my ingredients. I'm going to add the turmeric, the ginger, the meat masala from the Indian store, a tablespoon, and also 1 teaspoon of allspice. I'm going to add all this into the sorted onions. This will give the flavor and taste to the cutlet. Okay, I have to fry it for about 2 minutes at least. I think it's almost done. It smells really very, very authentic, and the smell of the meat and the spices and everything mixed with the onion and the ginger and the green chili, everything is just like, it's smelling really good. I'm going to use my mixing thing to smash all my potatoes. I cooked it in the morning. I boiled it so they are all cooled off. The reason I use this type of device to smash my potatoes is because I can control how far I want for my potatoes to be crushed into. I'm going to put about half a tablespoon of salt. I think that will be more than enough. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to put all this in here. All my flavored onions and all those spices will go in here. And I'm going to use my spatula to blend it. I'm going to make small balls of turkey using my hand, and I'm going to put it over here and at present, and this way I'll get all of them done. And I have to get all of them done because they have to be fried together. That's why. We're almost done. We're almost done making all the turkey meatballs. And now the next step would be following this. Now I have to remove the white from the yellow because only we're going to use the white of the egg to dip the cutlet in. So if I do like that, I'll get all the yellow in my hand. I'll put this over here. Okay. Thank God, God gave us hands. I flattened my meatballs and then I dipped it in the white of the egg, and then I'm covering it with breadcrumbs. I flatten it with my hand, dip it in the white of the egg, and then I roll it in the breadcrumbs and I put it out. And that's how I will be doing it. I'll prepare all this ahead of time before the oil gets warm, so they can all cook it evenly. Well, I ran out of the white of the egg, so I had to get another egg, and I'm going to use another egg for the rest of my turkey meatballs. Okay. I'm using the refined sunflower oil to fry my turkey cutlets. So my oil is warming in the frying pan. It's reached about 250 on the thermostat, and so I'm going to use my spatula, and this is the Indian spatula which has holes on it so you can let the oil drain off, and I'm going to drop each of these in it. Oh, it's not warm. I have to put them all fast enough so that they all the oil is warm and all of them can get cooked in the right temperature. I'm going to take that out. And it's 1 minute on one side, then I have to turn it. Then we have to lower the temperature after one minute to medium and let the cutlet cook. Now I'm going to turn the cutlet over so the other side can cook.
Action.
The fork was easier to turn it than the spatula. Now I'm going to let the other side cook. And they look really nice and crispy and brownish in color, and I'm letting it cook on the other side and for about a minute. They are all done, so I'm going to put the fire on to higher, the temperature of the oven on to high, because you need to put it on high for all the oil to ooze out of the turkey cutlets, or else it will be all soggy with oil in it. So it's always nice, always a good tip got from my aunt. And I'm going to take it out now. Okay, so here are my meat cutlets I fried, and here is, I'm going to taste and see how it is. I can use the Ken Steakhouse buttermilk ranch or the Heinz tomato ketchup, both of them, to try, and I'm going to put a little sea salt on it. It's just I've heard from other chefs, sea salt gives a good flavor. Okay. Oh, it's cooked inside. I'm going to put the ketchup. Okay. Well. It's very good. Everything is perfect. Take the masala, I take the green chili, onions, and a turkey flavor also is coming. And it's really organic because it's made out of spices. They're organic. Enjoy. Okay, so please enjoy my recipe, and thank you for watching. And the ranch tasted really good too, so you can take as tasted. And please like my video, subscribe and comment, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021. Bye now.